Hello, and welcome to Learning Rust. I'm Leo Tyndall, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a software engineer and a longtime Rust user. I've built many applications, both for commercial entities and as open source projects, and I maintain several open source libraries and applications built with Rust. In this video, we'll run through a quick overview of the course and see a first glimpse of Rust code. This course is broken up into 7 sections. In the first section, we'll run through the basics of Rust. Then we'll dive into the Rust ecosystem and toolchain, look at the unique features of Rust, examine the type system, and finally, learn about the functional features of Rust and how they lead to idiomatic, safe, and blazing fast code. The requirements for this course are pretty minimal. You need a computer with pretty much any operating system, a text editor, I use Visual Studio Code, but you can use whatever you want, and a basic understanding of how to program in pretty much any language. So, I promised you some Rust. And here is your first taste. This is a small but complete program which prints Hello World, written in a modular and extensible way, with a main function and an additional user-defined function that takes a parameter for who to say hello to. Believe it or not, this program actually takes advantage of Rust's advanced type system in a way that you'll learn later in the course. Now that you've gotten a taste of Rust, move on to the next video, and I'll show you how to use it in your own projects.